Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to format knowledge base article content in BoldDesk in both the Markdown and WYSIWYG editors. We write articles to engage our readers. Using a knowledge base, we format the content of the articles to communicate with customers effectively and match their preferences. Therefore, it is important to customize articles for our specific audience. BoldDesk offers various formatting options for creating and editing articles, allowing agents to improve the layout. Let's see how to format knowledge base articles in BoldDesk. To start, log into your BoldDesk agent portal and click on Create. Then, choose the article option to open the article creation page. Alternatively, go to the KB module and select the article you want to edit from the Articles section. You can switch between Markdown and WYSIWYG editors, but this will clear the content of the previous editor type. If you need to use the same content, you need to copy and paste it into your editor page. Let's look at the various formatting options available in the Markdown editor panel. In the description part, the right section is used to draft the article content, while the preview section allows authors to view how the article will render after it is published. First, let's look at how to apply text formatting. You can make the text bold, italic, or both by selecting the text and clicking the desired option. To apply different styles to your article content, select the text, then choose the font style from the headings drop-down menu. Next is how to add a strike line. This option is useful to indicate the deletion of an error or the removal of text in a draft. Select the text to which you want to add a strike line, then click the strike-through option. Alternatively, add tilde symbols before and after the content. To add a block quote, click the block quote tool in the toolbar. Or, add the greater than symbol before the content at the beginning of a new line. Use the line option or enter the dinkus symbol in the article's content to add a horizontal line between paragraphs. In addition, you have the option to apply listing to article content by choosing either the bulleted list or numbered list options. Alternatively, you can choose to enter the items you want listed after selecting your preferred listing option. Let's move to the Insert Table toolbar option. Using this allows you to insert tables and choose the number of rows and columns. Alternatively, you can use 3 or more hyphens to create each column's header, and pipes to separate each column. For compatibility, you should also add a pipe at the end of the row. You can also insert an image from your computer by using the Insert Image toolbar option. Next, browse for and select an image. You can also add alt text that will be displayed when the image is missing from its original storage. Then, click Insert to add the image. To insert a code block, click the Insert Code toolbar or enter backticks and then enter the code. The code block area is highlighted with a background. To add syntax highlighting, specify a language next to the backticks before the code block. Next is how to attach files. Use the Insert File toolbar option, and a pop-up window will appear. Click the Browse option to select the desired file from your computer. Then click Insert to attach the file. You can also insert a video in an article using the Insert Video option. This will open a pop-up window where you need to add the YouTube video URL and click Insert to insert the video. You can adjust the height and width of the YouTube video frame. To include web address links in your article content, click the Insert Link toolbar option and a pop-up window will appear. Enter the web address and display text and then click Insert to insert the link. To maximize your browser window's width and height, click the Maximize toolbar in the editor panel. This will show a full screen of your browser that can be restored to default using the Minimize option. You can also add an alert box in your article content. The info box highlights information in the article. The warning box is used to add a warning message to the article. The error box adds an error message to the article. Let's now take a look at the formatting options in the WYSIWYG editor, which stands for What You See is What You Get. The WYSIWYG editor supports the use of keyboard shortcuts, which will display as a tooltip on the corresponding option. For text formatting, you can apply font and a background color to selected content. Click the Font Color option to select your preferred font color. You can add the text background color by clicking the Background Color toolbar option. Underline text by highlighting the desired text and clicking the Underline toolbar option. To align content to the left, center, right, or to justify it, click the Alignments toolbar option. Then, select how you want to align your content. You can also clear all the applied formats for your content by clicking the Clear Format toolbar option. By using the Insert Code option, you can insert code blocks in the article and the code blocks will be highlighted with a background. To preview the added content, click the Source Code button. The article content will be shown in HTML format. To revert to the editor page, click Preview. Similarly to in the Markdown editor, the following formatting options can also be applied in the WYSIWYG editor: bold, italic, insert code, line, numbered list, bulleted list, create table, insert link, insert image, insert video, insert file, maximize, and alert boxes. And that's it. In this video, I showed you how to format knowledge base articles in BoldDesk in both the Markdown and WYSIWYG editors. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.